Welcome to Preform Line Products feature focus video for the Raptor Protector. This product was designed to protect wildlife from incidental contact from energized conductors. More specifically, birds while perching for prey with large wingspans from going from phase to phase or phase to ground during the hunt. Now I will demonstrate how to install the Raptor Protector. First, place the Raptor Protector over the insulator and then snap down both ends over the conductor. Ensure that the conductor is fully seated on both ends of the Raptor Protector. Next, you will install the included 4 round eye lock pins. Now this completes the installation of the Raptor Protector on a single pin or post for a tangent support application. Next, I will demonstrate how to install the Raptor Protector using a hot stick. Place the Raptor Protector over the insulator and conductor as shown. Apply downward force until it snaps in over the conductor, releasing the hot stick. Then take the hot stick and apply pressure until it snaps over the conductor. Next, I will demonstrate how to install the round eye lock pin using the hot stick. Place the round eye lock pin just before the hole and then apply a quick heavy force to insert it into the hole. Then remove the hot stick. We will continue to do this for all 4 holes.